Today's hack is transcribed content. What is transcribed content? Well, basically, if you're creating podcasts, if you're creating YouTube videos, you can actually take that content and transcribe it and put it on your website so that you can actually get people to show up based on the keywords that content has or based on the title of the post. So many bloggers actually don't create any blog posts anymore. What they do is they take a podcast episode, they transcribe it. They take a long form YouTube content and they transcribe it. You could use so many tools to transcribe it, from actual human beings typing up all the way to AI transcribing your content. What it can do for you, it can actually increase the breadth of your website. The more pages you have, the more possibilities of those pages getting found on Google and ranking for that topic and getting traffic, all without you actually doing any work. Do you have podcast episodes? Do you have YouTube videos? You can embed on your website, transcribe the content, put the title, get a page up and running, and do that for 10, 20, 30, 40 pages of your website. You can always go back and enhance the content, add more resources, but transcribing content is the fastest way to create content that I can think of. So if you have great podcast episode, or if you're on an interview on somebody else's podcast, you're on a YouTube channel, create those posts instantly, create new pages, new resources for potential audiences, start getting more traffic, my friend. So if you're on a podcast or your own podcast, or you're on a YouTube channel, go ahead and embed those content onto your website, transcribe the content, and actually create pages and see what it's going to do from an SEO perspective. If you're looking to learn more on how you can grow and scale your agency, that's precisely what we do here at ClickX. From Facebook ads, Instagram ads, generating leads, helping you close the deals, all the way to fulfillment is what we do every single day. Over 150 plus consultants that help agency owners every single day grow and scale their agency. If you'd like to learn more, schedule a call with one of our consultants and find out if ClickX is the right fit. But first, I want you to take an audit of all the content that you have on YouTube or podcasts or anywhere you've ever been a guest in. Create those pages, transcribe the content, go find a tool and publish those pages. Start generating traffic today. That's what these growth hacks are for. That's what I want you to start doing. Execute. Start doing these things so you can start generating leads and sales and grow your agency. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.